How's it going, everybody? I was supposed to shoot a video about me installing my reverse camera, my rear view camera on my truck. So the video did not go through as I expected because it started storming outside. So what I did was I put it together. So tomorrow I'm just going to go out to the truck and just show you the installed the finished product. I'm going to show you that, and I'll take some things apart to show you the wiring and just what I did and what wire I tapped into to get the camera going. So just to show you what kind of camera I got, this is the instructions for the camera that I installed today. So as you can see, this is the model number, and this is how the camera looks. I don't have the box in here with me, so I'm just improvising right now until I get back to the actual finished product tomorrow, and I'll show you just how everything looks. So these are the instructions that I followed, and we'll go from there. So I look forward to seeing you in some hours from now when it gets bright outside, after I finish my schoolwork in the morning. All right, so see you soon. I also got another camera. What it is a dash cam. So this dash cam actually came from Walmart. I paid like $17 for it. This is how it looks. This is how it looks in the box. So of course it's a dash cam, and it's one of the Walmart specials. It's called Black Web. This is the camera itself. It's fairly small, but it's kind of powerful. It does the job. It does the trick. So let me turn it on here, just to show you a little screen it has on it. Has a little screen back there. Here's how it looks in the front. Not bad for a cheap camera. I'll be actually doing some of my videos on the road with this camera, just to keep you involved with the things that I do on the run. So yeah, that does it for that part of the video. And like I said, we'll get back to the rear view camera for the truck. Yep, see you in some hours. What's going on, everybody? So I said I would show you the camera that I installed on my truck, and that's what I am doing right now. So here it is. All right, so here it is. It's the XCam 200. It's from Walmart. Got it for about 15 bucks, maybe a little less, around there. But here it is. It's a little cheap, small camera. And I'm just going to go to the back of the truck here and show you how it looks. So of course it's right above my license plate. I have it just put right under where the tailgate is. Yeah. To show you guys how I installed this camera, I'm just going to take it apart here. Do a reverse of what I did yesterday. So the first thing I did was come to the reverse light. I actually worked my way backward from the reverse light. You should do it the other way around. Start with the receiver or the camera that you're connecting the camera to. The tablet screen or whatever you are hooking the camera to, that's the starting point usually. But I started back here, and this is all the wiring. So as you can see, the positive wire, the red wire here, this is one from the video and one from the power. So the power and the video power, and this over here is the negative, the ground wire on the camera. So I connected that ground wire from the camera to the ground wire on my reverse light, which is the top bulb here. As you can see, the white or the clear part of the panel is here, is where this bulb is. So I connected that black ground wire to the camera's ground wire. All right, and on the positive side, I connected on Dodge. This is my Dodge Ram. This wire here is purple and black. So that purple and black wire on my reverse light wire connected the power for both the video and the power for the camera itself. So that does it for that part. I just went on and zip tied the wires together there as best I could. There's enough space in there for them to just kind of dangle around without bumping into anything. So I'll go ahead and patch that back up. I'll just kind of put it together right there just to show you under the truck how I did the wiring. So of course this is coming from the tail light area. I just went along the bottom of the truck here, just kind of let the wire hang down, going up into the cab of the truck. Of course, you can see down here, there's the wire, and it actually came up into where this hole right here comes from under the truck as well. I just took the wire under the rug here and just tucked it away just under there. Just tucked it under there and just ran it along under the trim here, the floor trim, and went behind this panel under the dashboard. And of course, along under the dashboard, I got a zip tied under there to the wiring for the blower fan. And then I went back, I took the cup holder off, the whole cup holder assembly off, and ran that camera audio wire or video wire to the back of the receiver. So that's how I wired it up, and that's just how I felt it needed to go.
Well, the drone footage didn't go as well as I had hoped, and you see the storm is brewing behind me here. So since the drone footage didn't go as well as I had hoped, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, me showing you how to install a backup camera on your vehicle, or anything even remotely interesting about my truck. Just let me know in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, yeah, subscribe and let me know what you think of this channel, what I could do different. This is Florida, by the way, so it's really sunny. You can see I'm squinting out here, and it's hot. But yeah, let me know what you think of these videos, and there will be more to come. If you think these items that I put on these videos are interesting, let me know what the footage I can add extra, and I'll get that going for you. So like and subscribe. Thank you guys for your dedication, and thank you for everything that you do to keep this channel going.